Hey everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. If you own an 11th generation Honda Civic and you are curious about where your wheel lock is, if you need to change a tire and you're looking to find out where the lock is that would allow you to take this lug nut off, in this particular case, it's as simple as simply getting into the passenger side seat. You're going to open the glove box, and if you've already found it, you may have moved it somewhere else, but here is where it's going to be, inside this bag. And let's see, can I do this one-handed? I'm sure going to try real quick just to show you what's here. You've got the lock itself. This is going to go on the end of the You're going to put this on the end of the lug wrench that you're using to take the lug nuts off of, and that will unlock all four at all four corners. You'll also find some other handy information here if you happen to lose it to help you to get another one. It won't be a problem. But just in case you're wondering, at least coming from the manufacturer, coming from the dealership, if you've never looked at this bag before and always wondered what was in there, and you see that you can't get all of those lug nuts off, well, now you know what you need to do. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.